Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a user account in Salesforce Lightning. Whether you're managing team transitions or simply need to free up a license, understanding how to properly deactivate users is essential for maintaining a clean and organized Salesforce environment. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to click the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is your setup menu, and it's the gateway to all administrative functions in Salesforce Lightning. Once you click it, you'll be taken to the setup area where you can manage your entire organization's settings. Next, look for the quick find box on the left side of your screen. Type users into this search field. This handy feature helps you navigate Salesforce's extensive settings without scrolling through endless menus. As you type, you'll see relevant options appear below. From the results that appear, select users under the Users section. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all the users in your Salesforce organization, showing you who's active, who's inactive, and their assigned roles. Now locate and click on the username of the person whose account you want to deactivate. This will open up their detailed user profile, displaying all their properties, permissions, and current status. It's important to review this information before making any changes. Here's a crucial step that many administrators overlook. Before deactivating the user, you should freeze them if they're currently active. Look for the freeze button and click it. Freezing a user immediately prevents them from logging in while you prepare to fully deactivate their account. This is particularly useful if you need to secure the account right away but aren't quite ready to complete the full deactivation process. Once the user is frozen, click the Edit button to modify their account settings. This will open the user record in edit mode, allowing you to make necessary changes to their profile. In the edit view, look for the active checkbox and deselect it. This is the key action that actually deactivates the user account. By unchecking this box, you're telling Salesforce that this user should no longer have access to the system. Finally, click Save to confirm your changes. This completes the deactivation process. And there you have it, the user will now appear as inactive on your users list, which immediately frees up their license for reassignment to someone else. It's worth noting that while the user can no longer log in, all their records, data, and historical information remain in the system until you choose to reassign them to another user. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.